Alright, welcome into Ken's Fishing and Cooking Channel. My name is Ken. Today we are deep down on the Ocmulgee River into the wild. There's lots of alligators and pumas and panthers, that is. Yes, there's panthers around here. Believe it or not. There was a guy down the road that got one on his trail cam. So better believe it. But anyway, we are camping for the weekend. We're at one of our camping spots on the Ocmulgee River, and it's about 7 or 8 o'clock at night on Friday. The weather just went down about 5 degrees, so it's barely bearable now. But I got my cousin Charlie with me tonight, and for the weekend, and I've brought my my bigger boat, and I packed it down to the brim and brought all this stuff to go camping. So hang with us, and we're gonna be cooking something shortly and maybe catching some fish. All right, I made a little fire pit with some coals in there. We started the coals, and just gonna put that pan right over it, and we're gonna put some sausage in it for supper. Plate, bread.
Hell yeah.
I got sausage. Mustard.
Man,
I got sausage and mustard.
Piggly Wiggly in Eastman the other day, and they had these pork tenderloin. About that damn baby round. As long as my motherfucking leg.
Oh yeah?
For $20. We bought one, and she cut it up in about 5 pieces about that damn big. She took one of them and threw it in the pressure cooker. And made some of the best barbecue I've had in a long time out of that thing. Man, it was good. Oh man.
Sausage dogs are ready. Get one while it's hot.
Well, I've been praying to God I don't get the explosive diarrhea.
Oh my God, really?
I ate some Taco Bell the other day, man.
I did too, and I
Taco
got it.
Bell? Is
Did
it
you?
lettuce? Is it
Yes,
produce?
Taco Bell's
Is it
lettuce.
fucking blackberries? What the fuck is
it's
blueberries?
I
Taco
don't
Bell's
think I
lettuce.
got it. It's been about 2 or 3 days. But
I had some Taco Bell. The next day I had some pretty explosive diarrhea, but
That's every
Well,
time
this
you
shit
go
ain't
there.
talking
that's
about
not every time you go there. But
yeah, this shit
But-
ain't
but
talking
for
about
me,
putting in the
but
mouth.
for me, Charlie, I have to take medicine to be able to go.
Right.
Okay, let's go through them. Taco Bell, explosive shit. Waffle House, explosive shit. McDonald's, most of the time, explosive shit.
I don't know. I don't do McDonald's at all.
And may
I
contain
try
some
not
human
to.
remains.
I don't do McDonald's. I don't do any fast food that I don't have to. Now, I'll do some Jack's chicken sandwich because they're damn good.
See, I don't see the big deal on Jack's. I'm not a Jack's fan.
I ain't that crazy about
But
Jack's, but
only
they do
because
got a
they
pretty good
there.
chicken
There
sandwich.
ain't no
I get
other
the
place
family
to
box.
get one.
I get the
place in
family box
Hawkinsville
when
I'll
the
go
family comes
It's
over.
Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen got some good ass
That's not the
chicken.
only place I go in.
Dairy
I
Queen
sold
is
it.
expensive as fuck too.
Yeah, well,
Every time that me and Benita go to eat at Dairy Queen, it's $30 for the
hell
two
yeah,
of
I
us.
know.
Oh, yeah.
Damn
Hell,
hamburger
that
now,
anywhere
$10
just about now.
Or more.
A couple of times.
Look, wait a minute. I got
Well,
a
I
bone
got
to
him
pick with
beat.
you anyway.
That's all right, man. I
Hey,
got you
Let's go
beat.
back, because I got a bone to pick with you.
Okay.
What's the intro to your fucking videos right now? Every fucking video. Not 1, not 2, not 3.
What is it?
Oh, shit! Oh, watch out! And then all of a sudden, oh, there was my motor in the fucking
You got that shit on video.
You lost your motor?
Yeah,
Huh?
Where at?
in the river.
In the fucking river.
You couldn't get it back.
Hell no.
We tried to find it
Where was it at?
at the boat
At the
landing,
bottom.
Miles Branch. Yeah, it went to the bottom somewhere.
At the bottom.
I seen a fucking rope and a chain tied to a limb out there the other day, so somebody might have got it.
No, that's just
Okay.
where they swim.
Walmart
That's where
paid
they
for that
swing.
bitch.
No, this was a...
It's raining outside. We're in the tent. We're getting a little rain in the tent too. But we're in the tent for now, and I'm just gonna hang out in here and maybe go to sleep and listen out for our fishing poles. If I hear some drag going off, I'll have to run out and get it. I think he'd let go of it. Got one. About darn time. A little blue catfish.
There you go.
That is a blue catfish, not a channel catfish. This thing still on? Yeah. We're gonna return him to the deep because he's kind of small.
He got some more ice cream in his season.
Yeah, he's got a few years to go. Cause he could get huge. He'd get over 100 pounds. Yes, come see me when you're 100 pounds. Ow, you bastard!
Damn. Throwing fucking Worms are being shit. They got you? Got you good?
I was trying to throw you back, you piece of shit. Woo! That stings. That's what they do, they sting you. The smaller they are, the more it hurts. That one hurt pretty bad. Still hurts.
Yeah. Still bleeding. Damn. Alright. I'm gonna get one of them fresh ones from them because they got dead worms. Apparently that ain't working at all. What we need to do is give Steve bring bait. Oh, you raggedy ass fucking whore ass bitch. Oh, I didn't have shit on there. Huh? Well, you wasn't getting in the back of my bike. Hell, yours ain't that lively either, are they?
Oh shit!
What?
I got a fucking bite while I was trying to loosen that goddamn shit.
You got something on there?
Yeah. You can just cut. Oh shit, I think you got off. No, he's still on there.
Oh, shit.
I was loosening that shit and they fucking took off in my hand. And you didn't point the damn.
Oh shit. I didn't know. Oh, you got a fucking mess right there.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to cut it. Well, first catfish, guys. First real catfish. I just caught a little tiny catfish a couple seconds ago. This one has been fighting. It's got some fight marks on it. But I was trying to get my other line. I got it tangled up in this and I was trying to get it untangled. And then all of a sudden, this sucker just started pulling on it. There we go.
Thank you. Do you have like a YouTube or something? Yeah, if you just type in the D-O-O-O on YouTube, all my stuff will come up. Alright. Alright? Peace! I'm hanging up on this bitch, bro. What'd she do? So, we broke up, right? Yep. And then this bitch moved on in 3 days. She got with another dude, right? Like, I've been with this bitch for like 4 years off and on, and every
broke
time
up with her?
Like, every time it's off and on, this always
Go
happens.
get with another bitch,
Like, every
bitch.
time we're taking a break, she's with a new motherfucker, bro. So annoying. If I had to say, like, probably my opinion on it is probably, like, didn't ask.
Something does.
Something crazy. I'm actually taking requests, so you can just pick whatever crazy thing I play if you want. Can you play something by the weekend?
It might be trying, but it's not succeeding. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video today. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, if you've liked what you've seen, and we'll see you on our next fishing adventure.